How to fix login errors on Dave app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and check if your application is updated or not. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Dave. If your application shows update, tap on to update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Tap onto apps, then here again, search for your Dave application. Tap onto your app, scroll below, then tap on storage. Here, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete your data. Come back into app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Once you do so, restart your device and see if this fixes your problem. Now if it's still not working, let's go ahead and try our second solution. Tap onto your application. Once you launch it, you'll see login. Tap onto login. You can try two methods. You can either log in with your password or you can tap on this email me a one-time link. If one of these is not working for you, you have to try another one and see if that fixes your problem. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.